Alright, so here we got a pretty simple product. There's not much to this unboxing, but we've got a battery for a Galaxy S4, Samsung Galaxy S4. According to the battery here, it's going to show it's 9.88 watts per hour, I believe is how that's listed. It's 3.8 volt. Most of the writing is not in English, so it's tough for me to really read any of that. But it does here say that it's 2600 milliamps. So we're going to kind of compare that to one of the OEM batteries that I have. There is no Samsung emblems or anything on this product. So until I've been able to test it, I'm not going to be able to tell you guys how it performs. But that's all there is to it. I did get this product for free or at a discount in exchange for the review, and after I've had a chance to swap it with another battery and do some actual screen tests, some drain tests, we'll tell you how it performs. So, all right, thanks.